Well, today we're going to look at this little Destroyer 6-pill. We'll get around it. We're going to drive it with the 2x8 or the 2-pill HD high drive. So, Michael, as you can tell, I completely gutted your box. New board, new input transistor, new splitting transformer, new combiner transformer, new tuning circuit, whole new keying circuit, completely rebuilt the preamp on down, sideband delay, and then I actually added the Class B sideband circuit. So we're going to go ahead and leak a little bit of positive current on your input transformers to reduce the transistor's effect to work to about 30%, and maybe that'll be the reason your box is blowing up. So you got the cute little sideband switch on the front that was just going to a cap, but it was in Class C. Can't run Class C on sideband. Some people say you can't. They're wrong. The transistors won't last. They'll break down and then they'll quit. And when they quit, they'll take all the other ones with them. Anyhow, we've addressed that. We added a big ass dissipation bleeder resistor here. And this disengages the positive current going to that relay. Now, the original pictures I showed, I had a little black, like 3 amp relay. It failed immediately. So I went to something a little bit more stout. And let's see, what else do we do? Oh yeah, replaced your little fan with a high flow metal case fan, high CFM. Your black fan was barely turning. I mean, it was turning, but it was dragging. So I went ahead and replaced it with another high flow fan. And I completely rebuilt your the volt deck of this thing. I couldn't believe the mess that was inside this case. But it's all up and running. I'm really happy with what we're getting out of it, especially for being in Class B. It's running like it's in Class C. But let me fire this sucker up real quick. This is our Kirchhoff's volt law. Okay, this is the mathematical formula, and since we're running at about 18.5, 19 volts, this is what we're looking for. And since we're going to apply bias to the base input leg of the transistor, we need to apply 0.35 volts worth of bias, which is positive current in this situation. I think we got it. So anyhow, I'm going to pause this up for a second. We're going to put a tin on it and we'll run it out in some watts. Alright, Michael, we're back. Boys and girls, we're back. I'm going to grab the microphone here real quick. We're going to go down here and I'm going to make a quick reference to our input wattage. Okay, so we got the 100 watt slug, 1X, PEP, 5 watt slug in reverse. Everybody's seen me do it a million times, about 30 watts worth of input drive. Okay, go over here and flick on the little 2-pill, and we're going to go down to 5X, which is going to allow us to set our dead key level. Remember, dead key little watts, swing big watts. Hello. It's about 300. So we'll start backing the mic gain down on this Galaxy that we're running. 200. Okay. So now we're going to go over here, pull out our 100 watt slug because we don't need it no more. That's the one I got to end up with. Now we're going to put the 1000 watt slug in, put it in 1X position, and it's in PEP. Alright, so let's do this. We'll fire the box up. Start out up here. Galaxy 66V. We're going to go look at the input tune to the box. This is with 30 watts worth of input drive. Hello audio. Hello audio. Hello audio. Hello audio. That's right, on the 6 pill, I'm putting 30 watts into it. I'm getting approximately 400 peak watts out, and that's our input tune. This watt meter is reading a 5 watt in reverse, and it's set up in between the radio and the amplifier. Hello. Hello. Okay. That means we got a great input tune match to the box. So now we're going to go over here, we'll fire up the little 2 pill. Hello. Hello. Just like before, I've got to repeat to redemonstrate. Has 200 watts worth of drive. Remember, this is in Class B, so it is going to shallow out a little bit in watts, but I think you'll all be surprised what it's actually doing. Hello. Okay, one last time. BBI. BBI. It's 1,000 watts on 18 volts, 200 watts worth of drive. Let's have a little fun with it. Whoop. Let's put that puppy to 11. Now we're on a 14 volt base system. So now we've effectively doubled our drive. Turn the 6 pill back on. Hello. Alright. Instead of goofing around with the multiplier, we'll grab the 5K slug, slap it in here, and see where we come out, Class B. Hello. Hello. So, it's 1,000 watts with 200 watts worth of dead key swinging to 400 watts drive. We're seeing 1,000 watts out of the box swinging to 1,500. Class B, 6 pill. Hello, audio. Hello. 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 Alright, Michael, remember. Dead key little watts. Hello. Hello. Swing big watts. Give yourself lots and lots of growth. Dead key and big watts with this box will not cut it. Like I said, brother, completely rebuilt. It's coming home to you. Bump bump from the biggest mud duck in Idaho. BBI got down.